Hey everybody, just back with another video. Today I want to talk a little bit about Pierre Poilievre and his stance on the Ukraine war. Now, when the war first started, he definitely said that he stood with Ukraine and that we would push for victory, and he said it again too a few months ago. Now, pushing for victory means prolonging the war, and that's not victory. Nobody wins in that situation. Um, and then the question I have about that is how would you even push for victory? Because if you continue to push this war, eventually things could escalate into a potential third world war with Russia and maybe China and who else knows. That's not like this would be catastrophic. Like we cannot let that happen. Um, Now, did he misspeak when he said that he was going to push for victory? Or is he just one of the is he taking the traditional stance of a politician and being another war pig? Because if that's the case, it's one thing that I really don't like. I'm not saying I wouldn't vote for him because of that, but that's a big deal to me, and that's definitely disappointing to hear if he didn't misspeak. What he should be doing is pushing for peace, and we should not be funding this war. The longer we fund it, the more the war prolongs, and then, like I said, it could quickly escalate into something really, really, really bad that none of us wants to see. Now, recently, I did see a video where he agreed with a supporter of his about not sending money to other countries. Now, does he mean Ukraine when he says that? Is he actually planning to pull the funding? Or does he mean, oh, we'll take money from or we'll stop sending money to other countries, but we'll keep funding Ukraine? I don't really know what he means. He didn't really elaborate there. And the one question I have for Pierre Poilievre is even if he wanted to pull the funding or to pull the funding from Ukraine, would he even have the guts to do it? Because I have a feeling, because this country is so liberal and apparently liberals are pro-war now, there would be a lot of pushback, I think. So I don't know if he would actually go through with it, but I really hope he does so that we can just help end this war so that we don't have to continue to murder hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I always enjoy reading and replying to your comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.